Chapter 1, Living Things and Cells. Todd is in Mr. Kinder's science class. Todd walks into the class and sees the front board has changed. "What are we going to learn about this month?" asked Todd. "This month we will be learning about living things," says Mr. Kinder. Mr. Kinder tells the class that they will learn about how people, animals, and plants are alike. "I don't have one thing that a plant or animal has," says Todd. "You're right," says Mr. Kinder. "You don't have one thing that plants and animals have. You have many things that plants and animals have. People, animals, and plants all have cells." Every living thing is made up of cells. People, animals, and plants are all made up of cells. A cell is too small to see without special tools. There are too many cells in each person, animal, and plant to count. There are many different types of cells. Each type of cell has a different job to do. All cells are important. People have skin cells and muscle cells. They also have nerve cells. All of the cells work together in your body. Mr. Kinder asked the class to look around. "Think about the cells in our classroom," says Mr. Kinder. Todd looks around. He sees living things like himself, the class hamster, and the class plant are all made up of cells. "There are a lot of cells in here," says Todd. "You're right," says Mr. Kinder. "You can't see the cells, but they are here and they are hard at work." "Let's review what we have learned about cells," says Mr. Kinder. "Every living thing is made up of cells. Cells are too small to see without tools. People, animals, and plants have many different types of cells. Each type of cell has a different job to do." That was Chapter 1, Living Things and Cells. Let's try answering some questions about this chapter. Question 1. What is this chapter about? Living things, states, or trees?
Living things.
That's right. This chapter is about living things. Number 2. What has cells along with plants and animals? Buildings, bicycles, or people? Awesome job.
People.
People have cells just like plants and animals. What are cells? Small, red, or large?
Small.
You're right. Cells are so small that you can't see them without a special tool. Some people use microscopes to see cells. What do cells have? Different jobs, different colors, or different money?
Different jobs.
That's right. All cells have different kinds of jobs. You might have a cell that is for a muscle cell or a nerve cell. All kinds of different jobs for cells. Number 5, what is important to know about this chapter? Todd is in class. Living things are made of cells, or Mr. Kinder likes science.
Living things are made of cells.
That's right. It's important to know that living things are made of cells. Animals, plants, and humans are made up of cells. Now, let's go to your seesaw activity. I'd like you to read the story aloud and then answer the questions at the end.